Biodiversity and Evolution.
Hi, Mommy. What are you going to make?
Hello, Ellie. I'm going to make some bread. Can you help me?
What should I do first, Mommy?
Just mix together all the dry ingredients.
Okay, flour, salt, sugar, baking powder. Mommy, what is this?
That is yeast.
What is yeast, Mommy?
Yeast is a microorganism.
What is a microorganism, Mommy?
Microorganisms are organisms that are very small. They are usually visible only with the use of a microscope. Some examples of microorganisms are bacteria and fungi.
Are yeast bacteria?
No, Ellie, they are fungi. They reproduce using spores, and they usually feed on decaying matter. Bacteria are single-celled organisms, and they can be found in different environments. Some of them live inside the body of animals, including humans.
Single-celled?
Single-celled means that their body is made up of one cell. That is how small bacteria are.
Interesting. The bread really tastes good, Mommy.
I'm glad you like it.
Wait, Mommy. How about our dog, Ember? How is she classified? I bet she is not a microorganism.
Of course not. Ember is a multicellular organism. She has body organs with millions of cells each. Multicellular organisms include fish, amphibians, reptiles, birds, mammals, insects, and plants.
How do they differ from each other, Mommy?
Do you remember the fish in our aquarium? What do you see in fish that you cannot see in other animals?
They have gills, fins, and scales.
Right, Ellie. Amphibians and reptiles are animals that resemble each other. Both have short legs. Amphibians have slippery skin, and they can live both on land and in water. Some reptiles live on land, and some live in water.
Does that make frogs, amphibians, and crocodiles reptiles?
Yes, Ellie. Now, look at that bird, resting on the branch of that tree. How is it different from other animals?
It is covered with feathers, and it has a beak.
Good observation, Ellie. Animals with feathers and beaks are birds. The Philippine eagle, owls, chickens, and penguins are birds. Now, look at Ember. How does she look like?
She has fur, Mommy.
Correct. Ember is a mammal. She is covered with fur, and she has mammary glands. Oh, look at that bug, Ellie.
Are bugs animals too, Mommy?
Yes, Ellie. They are insects. They have an exoskeleton, a segmented body, and jointed legs.
It's interesting to know different groups of animals, Mommy.
Wait till you learn about plants.
Plants grow from seeds, right, Mommy?
Well, some plants come from seeds, like angiosperms and gymnosperms, while some come from spores, called sporophytes.
Can you tell me more about angiosperms and gymnosperms?
Look at this squash fruit and pine cone. Angiosperms are plants that hold seeds inside the fruit, just like this squash. Gymnosperms are plants which seeds are outside or in between the scales of a cone, just like this pine cone.
Oh, that's interesting. I didn't know that there are seeds in pine cones.
Now, Ellie, I want you to check the underside of this fern leaf. What do you see?
I see brown dots, Mommy. What are these called?
Those are sorus. Inside sorus are spores, instead of seeds. Ferns or sporophytes reproduce using spores.
Oh, now I know.
That shows how complex and diverse our planet Earth is.
I agree, Mommy. We should take good care of all life forms on Earth.
How should we do that, Ellie?
We should plant more trees, fish responsibility, conserve natural habitats, and manage our waste.
You are right, Ellie. I'm happy that you have these ideas in mind already.